Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So I'm back with another video and as festive season is here, so the cleaning and the dusting part. और सबसे बड़ा इशू ये होता है कि घर की क्लीनिंग करने में लगे रहते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज करने में लगे रहते हैं, बट फ्लोर की क्लीनिंग कैसे करें ऐसे टाइम में जब ऑलरेडी इतना काम है, मेड्स भी छुट्टी पे चली जाती हैं. बट क्या होगा अगर मैं आपको बताऊं कि विदाउट एनी मेड, विदाउट यू डूइंग द क्लीनिंग, आपका घर, आपका जो फ्लोर्स हैं साफ रह सकते हैं, आप अपने कारपेट्स को बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन कर सकते हो इन बिटवीन द फेस्टिव सेलिब्रेशंस, इन बिटवीन द फेस्टिव गैदरिंग्स, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं, आप फेस्टिव पार्टीज करते हो, दिवाली की पार्टीज होती हैं, तो बार बार जो क्लीनिंग है वो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है. कई बार एक दिन में 2-3 बार क्लीनिंग की जरूरत पड़ जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ द गेस्ट्स एंड गैदरिंग. डोंट वरी, आई हैव अ सोल्यूशन बिकॉज मेरे पास है आई लाइफ रोबोटिक वैक्यूम क्लीनर A20 Pro जो कि विदाउट एनी मेड पूरे घर की इतने अच्छे से क्लीनिंग कर देता है. और ये सिर्फ ड्राई क्लीनिंग ही नहीं, वेट क्लीनिंग भी करता है, प्रॉपर मोपिंग करता है. सो आई थिंक देरी ना करते हुए वीडियो की शुरुआत करनी चाहिए और मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर मेरे पूरे डेली रूटीन में इतना हेल्पफुल हो चुका है, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिव सीजन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो.
So I recently got this iLife A20 Pro robot vacuum cleaner and it's amazing. You can see the packaging. It comes with all the parts like this brush, mopping clothes, this booklet. And the design of the vacuum cleaner is very sleek and it reaches to the corners of your house, cleans very well the areas under your furniture. So that way बहुत ही अच्छा vacuum cleaner है. It comes with a docking station where it charges itself. And the best part is that it not only vacuums the house, the floors, but it also mops it. Means जो इंडियन घरों में प्रॉपर झाड़ू पोछा वाला होता है वैसे ही ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर डिजाइन किया गया है. So this is the docking station where it gets charged. So let me show you how it helps me in my daily routine and especially in this festive season. So it is 8 AM right now and I can start my day with a clean home because of this vacuum cleaner. The iLife A20 Pro's advanced LiDAR navigation maps your house, ensuring it covers every corner efficiently. So for this you just have to open the doors of all the rooms and you can create a map of your whole house. Not only this, you can create multiple maps according to your requirements. Say if you want to clean your one particular room, then you can create another map for that. Or if you have multiple floors, then you can create maps of different floors of your house. So that way it can be really handy to clean different rooms, different floors of the house. So as this vacuum cleaner does mopping along with vacuuming, you just have to fill this tank with water so that it mops the floors neatly and leave no spot. Then you just have to fit it in the vacuum cleaner. So it's 8:15 AM right now and as I enjoy my breakfast, the A20 Pro is already at work, vacuuming and mopping simultaneously to leave your floor spotless and streak free. And I am relaxed and doing my breakfast without worrying about the cleaning of the house, about the cleaning of the floors or the carpets. So that way this vacuum cleaner has made my life so easy. It's 10 AM right now and the A20 Pro 6500 Pascal Ultra Strong suction picks up all the dust and debris, keeping your home clean. This is extensively useful if you have carpets or pets. So you can see, in case if you have carpets like us, your vacuum cleaner would pick up all the dust. You don't have to worry about any kind of dust. Also, it can clean any kind of dust and debris from your floors, leaving your floors spotless, neat and clean. You can see how easily it is picking up all the dust. No matter how much dust there is, it will clean your house very nicely. It's 1 PM right now and the A20 Pro docks itself for a recharge. Its breakpoint continuous cleaning feature means it will pick up cleaning right where it left off once charged. So this is extremely useful if you're not at home. You don't have to worry that what if it gets discharged, because it does not stop cleaning. It finds its docking station itself, gets there, gets charged, and then it starts the cleaning right from where it left. So how good is that? It's 6 p.m. right now and I come home to perfectly clean floors thanks to iLife A20 Pro vacuum cleaner. I come home with a relaxed mind that I don't have to do any cleaning, and when I come back home, if I am not able to find the vacuum cleaner, it has a feature through which I can find the robot, and through this you can find where your vacuum cleaner is. As the festive season is going on, this vacuum cleaner simultaneously vacuum and mop the floors, your hard floors, your carpets, leaving your home spotless, so that I can invite my friends and I can focus on other parts of cleaning like dusting and deep cleaning without worrying about the floors, and can have a beautiful home before the guests arrive. So as you have seen, its user-friendly app has many features. Its Y-shaped cleaning pattern is amazing if you want to mop the floors, because this kind of pattern is best for mopping and it leaves your house, your floors neat and clean without any spot, without any streak. It's 7 p.m. right now, and after a tiring day, I love to sit and just relax and do meditation. And its do not disturb feature made it easy for me to simultaneously mop and clean the house while I am relaxing. You can set the time on the app for which you don't want any kind of noise. It's 9 p.m. right now, and you can use its user-friendly app to set cleaning schedules and create virtual walls to prevent the vacuum from entering certain areas. During the festivities, you can use the app to set cleaning schedules and zones. So the A20 Pro works around your festivities, ensuring your home stays clean without interrupting the celebrations. You can schedule the cleaning according to your schedule, maybe in the night or in the day, and that way you can have a clean home. You can also create virtual walls in a single room if you want a particular area to be cleaned. This kind of feature especially is useful in the festival season, because like living room, drawing room and the kitchen areas are used more than the others because of the gatherings, because of the guests, and you can clean these particular areas again and again by separating them from other areas or by selecting particular room. This feature is extremely helpful in this part of the year during Diwali to clean the particular areas in between the gatherings, in between the guests. It has a feature of auto carpet boosts, through which the A20 Pro increases suction power on carpets to remove dirt and debris from high traffic areas. I always used to get worried about the carpets, about the dust and debris in the carpets, but since I got this vacuum cleaner, I am relaxed, and if you want, you can have it too. This vacuum cleaner has a long runtime and large battery of 5200 milliamperes. With its long battery life, the A20 Pro can handle the extensive post-celebration cleanup without any interruption. Don't worry if you have a big house, its long runtime and large battery can cover it all. So guys, don't wait any further and get yourself this amazing vacuum cleaner. Use my coupon code to get extra discount up to 1000 rupees. I'll give the link in the description box below as well as the coupon code. Go check it out.
सो गाइज दैट वॉज ऑल फॉर टुडे. आई होप आप लोगों को ये प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया हो. मुझे बहुत यूजफुल लगा पर्सनली, और हमारे घर में सब इसको जासूस बोल रहे हैं कि ये कहीं पे भी चला जाता है, कहीं पे भी घुस जाता है, बट इट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. बहुत ही प्यारा प्रोडक्ट है, और बिल्कुल जैसे लेडीज खुद से सफाई करती हैं बिल्कुल वैसे सफाई करता है, डीप कॉर्नर्स में घुस के. तो अगर आप लोगों को ये प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया हो, आई विल गिव द प्रोडक्ट लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. डू चेक इट आउट. एंड द मॉडल इज iLife Robot Vacuum Cleaner A20 Pro. I would definitely recommend it. Also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. I'll come with more of such videos. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.